Good afternoon. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trade has not been executed, the results may be overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Well, when we left the E-mini, the bias was still to the upside. We said that if we could structurally, if we got through the 31 area, that the next shot was for 27.37, 37.50. I forget exactly what the number was. And I see we made it up to 39. Well, I'll figure out those numbers in a bit. So, again, what a lot of people just really don't appreciate about the profile is that it doesn't lie unless the news changes. Okay, we start off at 7 a.m. 10 to 12 was where our buy was. We moved it up to 13 to 15. That's how we started out of the day, and we had a 29 to 31 sell for our sell ones, and produced a little trade right here. We also started out with a question mark at 25. So we caught that. We caught that. Now the best down in here, just it really wasn't going anywhere. There wasn't much to be done. So this fed our idea and fed our level, and it produced a trade all the way up to the top. All the way through this area, the market still favored higher prices. So again, I'm just trying to convince you that the profile can put some money in your pocket once you understand how to read it. And it's not that difficult to do. We have a P right here on the B split. We got to move out of the middle and I period and up and off to the races. So, and that was a lot easier to see when we were working a 3-minute profile. And that's what it looked like when we did it all. So again, scalper, longer term trader, it's going to keep you on the right side of the market. If you can stay on the correct side of the market, you've got more time to deal with trades, you've got better trade location, and you have more profit potential. Okay, the 37 area came from right here, that low volume number. If we got this high volume level held, we should go to the low volume number without a change in the news, and we did. So once again, the profile does what it does, and there isn't any a better way of looking at the market out there. So if the market were to close right here, we talked about that level right there would be the next stop. So 44, 49, so 1. This level right up here is basically 50. So we had that previous high at 55, so 55, 54 to 59, sell 2. Not much news to speak of on Monday. On the buy side, the breakout came from 30, so 26 to 31 buy 1, and 16 to 21 buy 2. I asked my wife about that brisket, and she says, oh, when it's done simmering and cooking and all that sriracha sauce, I'm going to add red vinegar to it. I said, well, sounds good. I wonder how hot it'll be. That'd be interesting. The heat usually does not disappear when you cook. You can shield it by the wrappings and the thickness of the whatever it is that you're cooking. So maybe the outer edge of the brisket will just be really, really nice and spicy, and the inside won't. We'll see. I will report on Monday. Okay, looking at the note, strong market this morning. The hedge is in the 10-year. We said 120 even, 120.16 was where the math said the market would close. We closed above that, so a little squeeze, not a big one. And we'll do a D split right there. So higher low, higher high. Find a place to buy it. We did have option expiration today. It's a P with the volume very, very high, so that says find a place to buy to see if we can get through 120.26, 28. So our first buy will be 17 to 21. 9 to 13 for buy 2. On the sell side, we'll try 27.31. Option expiration is behind us. And then 3 to 7. Dane, you're welcome. I'm glad you joined us for a week, and maybe we'll see you down the road. Good luck with your trading. Looking at the 30-year. Four to 8 will be number 1. 11.15 sell 1. 19.23 sell 2. On the buy side, 24.28 number 1. 17.21 buy 1. And we'll make 9.13 buy 2. Gold, pretty quiet day today. We caught both sides of that market. Well, the short side for sure. I think we missed by about 6 ticks catching the bottom side. Had 26.28 as support. Close. But we correctly assessed that we were going to have a trading range market. And you can see how quiet today's market was. So inside day on Monday, we'll be looking for a place to trade it based on F1. And leaning P inside the congestion area, leaning B if you look at the entire session. So trading range is what that says to me. So 33.35 sell 1, 38.40 sell 2. We'll make 27.29 buy 1 and 23.25 buy 2. Crude oil, really, really strong. We caught that one well, and we do know that market. And crude oil and the bond are pretty reliable. They do the bond trades fundamentals. Crude oil sometimes yes, sometimes no, but it's got enough volume that it holds up pretty well. So on the F1 screen, higher low, higher high. Don't know why. Fundamentally, we're trading higher, but we are. Didn't waste any time worrying about that. So 75 to the buck, sell 1. 25 to 50, sell 2. Monday morning we'll take a hard look at it. The breakout came from 63 and a quarter, so 63, 63 and a quarter buy 1. And buy 2, 62.50, 62.75. And the euro inside day. Find a place to trade it come Monday. And the congestion area and the overall profile says find a place to sell it. So 30 to 40 sell 1, 60 to 70 sell 2. On the buy side, 123 buy 1, 22.75 buy 2. That does it for this September the 23rd, 2018. I will see y'all bright and early in the morning. I think the sunshine comes out Sunday for us, so hopefully y'all weekends exceed your expectations. I'm out of here.